And I'm excited to tell you about a new line we carry here at Lethal Performance. It is Moose Knuckle Off-Road. All you're gonna do is flip that up, you put the recovery strap onto it, slide it up in this position, slide that one up, and your strap is on there without having to remove this from the vehicle. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house, and I'm excited to tell you about a new line we carry here at Lethal Performance. It is Moose Knuckle Off-Road. By the way, before we even get into the product itself, I gotta say the name of the company, Moose Knuckle Off-Road, is phenomenal. I would just go there and order parts from them, not even knowing what they carry or the quality of it, just for the name. Whoever figured that one out, cheers to you. But these guys have some awesome products, so let me show you a few of them right now. What I'm holding here right now is a split jowl shackle from Moose Knuckle Off-Road. This thing's actually pretty trick. A lot of you guys doing off-road, these are universal. They're gonna work on all different vehicles, and they're really good to help you guys with recovery straps. You know, a lot of you guys going off-road or getting stuck in the mud, getting stuck in the dirt, need to be towed out, and this thing is gonna be a life changer for you guys. This thing is super sweet. It's a multi-piece, unlike a traditional shackle for your vehicle. And what's really cool about this is makes life easy when putting a tow strap or recovery strap onto the shackle itself, and I'll show you why. Let's grab a traditional shackle. Let me show you that one first and then explain how this one works. So here's your traditional shackle. If you need to put a recovery strap onto it, you've really got to be able to actually pull this off of the vehicle in order to put the strap onto it. You've got to loosen this up, take it out, slide the shackle off, put the recovery strap onto it, put it back on, and tighten it back up. These guys over at Moose Knuckle Off-Road have it figured out and make life really easy. Let me show you. Unlike the traditional shackle, these do not need to be removed from the vehicle in order for you to get that recovery strap on there. It's a multi-piece design. All you're gonna do is flip that up, you put the recovery strap onto it, slide it up in this position, slide that one up, and your strap is on there without having to remove this from the vehicle. So you're out there, you get stuck, you're in the mud, it's a hot, sweaty day down here in South Florida out in the wild. You wanna get your vehicle out there, look how easy it is to do. Flip this side up, boom, just like that. Pop it around the other side. Dude, you're done. You're done at ease. Pull this sucker out so you can enjoy the rest of your day off-roading without being all sweaty and nasty. With the split jowl shackle, that's what I'm talking about. Split jowl shackle. Say it 5 times. Split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle. Got it? Oh, look at this. Get me out of here. Come on, give me a hand. Give me a hand. Oh. Come on, it reminds me when I was a kid who used to do that tug of war. I was terrible at that. I always lost because it always weighed like 100 pounds. Nope. What's also really cool about the split jowl shackles is that they're not gonna like clank around or anything like that. It looks like they use some type of plastic on the inside here, so they're not making a ton of noise when they're coming together or anything like that. It helps protect them. And what's cool is that these are offered in so many different colors, so you can choose what you want for your vehicle. You can match them up, have the same color for both of them, or mix and match like Christy has right here with the black and the orange. Installation of the dual jowl shackle is very easy. We're gonna be using the supplied double threaded stud right here, which comes with the end caps on them. They do recommend use some orange thread sealer on them to help lock these in place, and they do come with tools for the sides to help you tighten them up. Putting them on, you're just gonna slide that stud through where you need to put the shackle onto. Then you're gonna put the shackle on each side of it, one on each side, and then use these end caps on each side along with your thread locker and tighten them up. What's really neat too is that they do come with several different size spacers to allow you to space it depending on the vehicle that you have and the type of spacing that you want for your shackle. Now listen, a lot of you guys might get stuck in the front, you know, have an up front moose knuckle. You may have a rear moose knuckle. Let's go back and let me show you the Mohawk to help you guys retrieve the vehicle if you're stuck and want to pull it out from behind. So if you guys get stuck, need to retrieve the vehicle from the rear of it, Moose Knuckle Performance has this awesome piece right here. This is called the Mohawk, and it goes right into your hitch receiver and allows you to hook up one of their split jowl shackles, just like this. Again, making life real easy. Flip it up, Put your rope in there, put it back, done. Just like that. Again, I'm not even sweating it. It's so easy. These guys make some really nice products. And again, I love the name. I can't continue to comment how awesome the name is. I gotta buy stock in this company, for real. These guys are awesome. Another awesome thing about Moose Knuckle Off-Road is that just like us, they are located down here in Florida. That's right, guys. If you guys have any questions about any of the products that we offer from Moose Knuckle Off-Road, feel free to reach out to us at 561-753-8105. Make your life easy and pick up some of these products. I'm the Mustang King, and I'm out of here. With the ease of the Moose Knuckle Off-Road jowl shackle, split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle. Say that 5 times. Split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle, split jowl shackle. Jowls. Bring up my jowls.
He just wants to hold on to the Moose Knuckle.
I do. I want to hold on to it, Joe. I don't think I can let go of that Moose Knuckle, dude.
I'm gonna get you the ones that look like those.
Those are pretty awesome.
Are you gonna be able to do it with those hands?
Yeah, I think so. I think so. I think so. Hold on. I'm actually moving it. Dude, it's so hot.